fishing buddy of mine, Kyle, texted me and asked me if I wanted to go kayak fishing somewhere in either grass flats or marsh or somewhere. So after looking at the maps and talking about it a little bit, we decided to go over to Pierce Marsh, which is actually right near the Bayou Vista area, right before the Galveston Bridge, that big brick bridge that leads into Galveston. So we headed down. There's a little overpass bridge that has a kind of a cut where everybody launches from, and as you saw on the map, we launched from there, and we kind of did a trail around in the big channel and up the little back and forth marsh path that's there. And after throwing a few things at the first part, moved over into one of the little areas off to the side, and I could swear I saw, when I came in here over in that patch where I'm casting, I could swear I saw a red tail into there. So I pitched into there. I had another pole behind me with a small soft plastic shrimp, and I pitched a couple different things over there. This is the Spook Junior that I have tied on. You can see I just scared a mullet. There was mullet everywhere while we were out here, but I know I saw that red go up in there, so I pitched in there a few times. I was probably there a good half an hour, throwing at the grass line in front of me, throwing into that little notch, throwing to my side. I mean, anytime I saw movement in the water, I threw over at it, and I think 90% of the movement was mullet running around, but I know I saw a red's tail go into that area, so I was definitely trying hard. But after trying for about a half an hour, I knew that we wanted to go way down the channel, and it was going to be quite a paddle, so we headed out. As we were paddling around, we saw mullet everywhere, so that was, you know, that was a good sign. We saw bait fish jumping and everything moving around, so the water was alive.
A big old croaker.
Gosh, that's funny. I was trying to get back to the bait bucket. I wanted to keep this thing for bait. I just was trying to figure out. I put the bait bucket way in the back. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, how am I going to reach that bait bucket? So then I thought, well, I'll just show the camera real quick, and then I'll turn and reach back there. So here you go. Here's me showing the camera. Takes my pole. We got Kyle over here. His kayak's there, and he's over there. He's trying to catch some, cast net up some live bait. None of the artificial we're throwing is really teasing up anything. We're gonna move up this way and go to the mouth of this. Man, there's, what is that? Man, there's a boil going on over there. I can't get there fast enough though. And you can't see it, it's too far. Man, something was spooking a bunch of the mullet were getting spooked. Let's calm down now. We'll cast into it when we get over there. Anyway, Kyle's cast netting up some live stuff. We're gonna, once he's got a good amount, we're gonna head out down the channel and see what we can do at the mouth of this channel. I'll put a how about I put a wide map here to show you where we got in right here, and then we moved down into the marsh a little bit, and then up this other channel and out into the main channel. We're gonna go down where the main channel, put that map right here, meets the open bay there, and we'll see what we can get from there. Everybody seems to have gone out that way with the boats and other kayaks and stuff, so we're just trying to get some bait along the way. We stopped here because this little inlet here where's my bobber? There it is. We stopped here because this little inlet here, he went up, tried to cast net some stuff up there. I sat here and cast out into the area. I bottom fished for a little bit, but apparently this is a very rocky bottom. I got stuck. So we'll get moving on and we'll get back to you. Oh man, look at the spots on that one.
First red of the day.
Cool. First red. Where was he? Just out there?
Yeah.
Back off. Don't spook any of them. Oh, hold still. Little hardhead.
Yeah, when I first got the strike on this one, I really did think I got my first red. And then I pulled up my favorite fish to catch. Catfish.
My bait's been terrorized. Stupid catfish.
I had literally just put that bait on. Just trying to see if I was still recording.
Yeah, that's a good one. Alright, looks about 14, 12. Do you have anything to measure with? The other side you got more spots, yeah. Good spot. That's a nice one. Alright. Catch some more.
Well, Kyle and I went through that winding channel that goes back from the main open bay back into the marsh areas. And we didn't really catch anything. That red you just saw was the last thing we caught. I'm trolling a live bait behind me right here. Got it pretty far back there just in case something will come out and grab it. But that was pretty much it. We just kind of slowly went back to the cars, kind of pitching our lures here and there when we saw stuff. And there was another guy out here on one of those bigger boats. He was yeah, you can see we're in such shallow water. It's only about that paddle blade deep. But he was out there on a boat, just push pole moving around. And so here we are. We're packing up, getting ready to go. It was a good day. We went, I think it was like 5.3 miles after we mapped it out on the Google Maps and stuff. And I was definitely tired. I've not been on a kayak in a while. so I appreciated Kyle calling me and asking me if I wanted to go. These are both his kayaks here, and I'll tell you what, I do enjoy the kayak he has. These are the Wilderness System Ride 135, I think, is the one I had. I think they're both the same kayak, they're just different colors. But yeah, it was a good day. We were out there from, I don't know, 7 or so in the morning. I think we launched, and I believe we got back to the truck here about 4 or 5 o'clock, something like that. Packed up the kayaks, got everything all tucked away in the truck, and headed out. You know, you can't ever argue with a good day of fishing. There it is. Everything's put away. It's time to go. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the subscribers, all the viewers, everybody out there. Be sure to hit that like button if you like the video. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get updated on the latest videos as they come out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.